Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Karanveer Singh, and today it was my IELTS speaking test. And for the very first time when I entered the room, there was this old lady who greeted me with good morning. Okay, I went inside and she says by herself, Karanveer, have a seat. Okay, after having my seat, she asked me for my passport and did some initial proceedings, which stands for recording purpose. Okay, in which she was supposed to speak about her own candidate, my candidate number, as well as examiner number as well, including her name. So after all the proceedings done, she directly questioned me. Okay, so your name is Karanveer Singh. Are you a student or you're doing a job? So I said, ma'am, I'm a student. What student you are? I'm a student of aerospace engineering. And why you chose this particular domain? So I answered her that since my childhood, I was particularly enthusiastic towards aerospace engineering, and I'm very fascinated about aircraft stuff and to learn new knowledge as well as vocabulary to add up in my arsenal. So later on, the questions started coming around about this aerospace science itself. Okay, and I was very, it was very strange feeling when I said use the word military studies. I could see the change of expression on her face. Like it's not on daily basis when someone you heard about missile system, military systems as well. So later on, the questions started getting around this thing. Okay, my interview was about for 15 minutes, and in the span of that 15 minutes, I was questioned mainly about books. Why you read books, why do you think, what kind of books do people read? So as being a student of aerospace engineering, I was completely oriented towards physics stuff and all. So I answered as per according to my perspective. Now ladies and gentlemen, I want to give you a tip, that is IELTS is an examination that do not tests your knowledge. It only stands for how much fluency you have in your language, as well as how can you speak. It has nothing to do with your knowledge. Okay, so I know very well people are having various kind of perspectives. Someone can be reading fiction novels, someone can be reading romantic novels. But I was almost said, sir, in my age, ma'am, in my age, people used to read books related to physics and mathematics. So she was like, is it really true that only engineering students only read books related to physics and mathematics? Ma'am, I'm a student of engineering, and as per I have observed my classmates as well as my own batchmates, they were reading the same books. So I can say, as per my experience, this is what is happening. Now later on, cue card comes to me, and the cue card was, Karanveer, now tell me about and describe any of the book that you have read recently. What is the name of that book? When you read it, how much long it took you to read that book, and what have you learned in that book? I was supposed to speak about 2 minutes. Now, kindly don't prepare yourself only for those 2 minutes. Prepare yourself कि I can speak about 10 minutes on it. She will stop
As
you
we
by
are
herself.
doing here.
Exactly. Prepare yourself for 5 to 10 minutes for a particular cue card, because she is going to stop you by herself. Okay. Cue card is not 2 minutes. So if you are prepared for only 2 minutes now, you will end up at 1 minute only. And that is where you're gonna lose your marks. So I was continuously speaking, and please, one more important thing, that is, do not repeat any of the line, phrase, or any of the view. Because the questions that were coming to me, the questions that were coming to me, the questions that were coming to me were highly like, it will force you to repeat your own words. Okay, so you need to think of it, you need to paraphrase your words in such a manner that you do not repeat any of the sentence again and again, and for the sake of that you can use lexical resources such as vocabulary. And for example, when the cue card came to me,
so how was your experience after joining Lexington? It was
overall
helpful.
experience of mine. Okay.
It was helpful for you.
Definitely, ma'am. Before 2 months, when I came over here for the very first time, I was a different kind of person. Okay, but now I have completely shifted. This was also a question of that times. Okay, tell me about yourself. That from youth to now, how much you have changed. So I was like, ma'am, I was a part of National Cadet Corps in my academic times. And being a part of NCC, I developed lot many officer-like qualities and inculcated a disciplined behavior, which have changed me and molded me. Okay, as well as in the recent education that I'm getting now. Okay, it have also changed me. Okay, so the most important thing that I found was, please do not repeat any of the word or any of the sentence, because the examiner is going to force you कि आप एक ही sentence को repeat करते जाएं. Questions
At
इसी
the
तरह के
morning
आते हैं.
time, I was asking some questions to you.
For example,
and you were saying, ma'am, again same question.
For example, first question. Okay, do you think reading books is a good thing? Yes, ma'am. Definitely, you're gonna answer by yourself. Again, second question. Do you think reading books for children is a good thing? Now, question is same, but you need to shift it. Okay. Now, tell me, at your age, is reading good books is a good thing? Again, same question. So you must be having plenty of ideas with you that how age matters in terms of reading books. So my answer was like, ma'am, and my so she the question to me was, currently tell me at your age, is it mandatory to get in deep for any of the books? So I was like, ma'am, I'm a student of engineering, and there are a lot many things that are not available on Google but are available on books. Moreover, in order to understand various kind of theories, numerical equations, and mathematical derivations, it is mandatory for one to go deep inside the book, because these things are not available on Google. So you need to paraphrase and mold your answer in such a manner. And secondly, else than having ideas, the important thing is use of grammar. And I'm 109% sure that before 2 months I was making huge grammar mistakes, but today I did not even one grammar mistake. I'm very sure about it. I don't know, I don't remember even a word of mine, but I'm 110% sure कि मैंने कोई grammar की mistake नहीं की होगी वहाँ पे. 100% sure उस चीज को लेके. Secondly ये है कि when the question is coming to you ना, use fluency.
I was totally scaring. You
Yeah.
did
No
the
grammar
mistake.
There was no grammar mistake. I can even write it down, ma'am. I can even write
I
it
know
down.
your vocab is good. You will definitely do it.
So you can use the vocabulary. Vocabulary is definitely going to have a better impression over yours. Okay. So I was not having huge sum of vocabulary. You don't need to be Shashi Tharoor for that. Just have a handful of vocabulary words. For example, I used only few words such as maneuver, tranquility, bestow. See these kind of words. If I was using vocabulary, even the ma'am started using vocabulary to me, and I got scared. Now I'll have to understand it. Okay.
That was also a good experience for you.
She started using 2-3 words of vocabulary in one question.
She was checking you.
Exactly. The question was about 25 to 30 seconds long, and I had to listen to her completely what she is going to say. And question was again the same as previous question. So she was just trying to confuse me. Okay, you need to be really very careful about this thing.
Okay.
For the very first time when you go inside now, you get a little bit nervous. Because I was prepared about ki initially I will be asked about my introduction, but there is no bloody introduction over there. Simply, okay, you are a student of this, start speaking about it. And second error what I did, that was, we are being trained in here to speak for 3 to 4 lines on each question. But 2 times she said, after my answer of 3 to 4 lines, speak more about it. Okay, so I don't think that is my error, because I was prepared for 3 to 4 lines which I spoke. It was she who questioned me, ki please speak more about it. Okay, and please never be prepared for one word answer. Please never be, else than your name. For example, if she is questioning you what is your full name, my name is Karanveer Singh, and later on if she is questioning you what is the study that you are doing right now, don't end up like aerospace engineering, because I did the same initially. Okay, don't end up it like this. Instead of it, speak something about it. And one more confusing fact is, after getting my question to this answer, I am particularly enthusiastic toward the study and all again, she again repeated the same question in a different manner to confuse me. So that is my experience. I hope you all will be having better experience in here. और please एक और चीज़ जो मैंने यहाँ पे initially आप गलती की थी इंस्टीट्यूट में, वो है मैम के ऊपर भरोसा ना करना. मैंने मैम को साफ बोल दिया था, मैम मुझे आपकी बात पे भरोसा नहीं है, ये ऐसे नहीं ऐसे होगा. But later on मुझे आज पता चला कि what she was speaking is actually truth. Okay, so listen to her. That's all. That's all.
So,
Thank you.
Thanks to Lexington.
Thank you very much.
Thanks to
Thanks to
Lexington.
Lexington. Thanks to Lexington. Thanks to ma'am. That's all. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.